Hello and welcome back. This is of course part 2 of building this monitor arm for the CNC router. We're building it robust, we're building it strong. It's got to handle the vibrations of the router and it's got to handle being manhandled. We're going to laser cut up a mount for the screen which will give us tilt and rotation adjustment on top of this. And this is going to be mounted to the table as it was built in part 1. So let's get to laser cutting and assemble the monitor mount. There we go, we're basically there. I'm just waiting for a couple of bolts to come in for the mount for the screen, and then this will be done. It's all laser cut. Need to cut this extra bit of threaded rod down, of course, but other than that, it's got a cam lock handle. It can rotate around and then lock into place pretty nicely with the cam lock. And obviously it can extend and extract. And it's quite robust. I think I should be pretty safe to build a keyboard mount onto this, but I'll see how it goes with just the screen on there. And maybe that'll be a future project is for the keyboard and mouse. We'll see. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you've got any comments, suggestions, leave them below. Have a look at some of the other videos we've got. If you enjoy them, please hit subscribe, click the bell for notifications. Have a fantastic day.